Here we are at Eddie World. It's a roadside stop, one of our favorite spots to be on our way to Vegas. So we like stopping over here. I mean, they've got a really nice gas station, as you can see here in the background. This is kind of like the landmark. I guess it's like an ice cream cone or something. But more importantly, they have a really big store. So I think they've got different candy and nuts and gourmet, snacks. So anyway, let's go check it out. Eddie World is located just north of Barstow in a small town called Yermo. Inside Eddie World, you will find some hot foods during the day, such as hamburgers, hot dogs, and pizza. Eddie World is also known for its gourmet popcorn and homemade ice cream. They also have a beef jerky bar, which they encourage you to sample before you buy. On the back wall, you will see the original flooring of the Lakers logo from the Great Western Forum in Inglewood, California. They later moved to the Staples Center in LA. Throughout the store, you'll find different islands full of different kinds of candies, from soft candies to hard candies, licorice, nuts, pretzels. On top of each island are stuffed animals, and each island has a different theme of animals. So here we are in Eddie World. There's nobody here right now. It's about 10 o'clock at night. Yeah, it's about 10 o'clock at night. And we have pretty much the whole store to ourselves. All right, I think we better go hit the road. See you later.